You know what? I've been hearing a lot about mango tea. Drinking mango tea that is very good for the body. It's very good. It oxidizes. It removes things that are not good for your system, like all those things that pile up maybe by sugar and all those stress things. That mango tea is very excellent. I think I'm just going to check and list out the benefits of mango tea. Mango tea, but this is going to be the first time I want to try it. And that there is our young mango tree. So I'll go there and get some leaves now. So this is our young mango tree. I just want to get some leaves and use it for the mango tea. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So let's pick some leaves. Smells like mango.
Wow.
I love the smell. Like I should eat it.
The smell is so fresh.
And so sweet.
Wow. I can even perceive it from
From
here.
here, just snapping it off and I started perceiving it. Will this be enough or should get more?
I think maybe 2 more strands. Yeah.
Mango leaves. So we're gonna put it in water, boil it, and drink the tea.
Wow. It smells so nice, so refreshing.
So these are the leaves. So we're gonna wash them, put them in water, boil them, then we'll have the tea. I have not eaten anything this morning, have you?
No.
Okay, so it's gonna be a good start to use to first thing in the morning to open the stomach.
Yeah.
Let's get
Just
the full benefits.
yes, so just like we do use coconut water to open our stomach too in the morning.
Yes, we use many things. Sometimes we use moringa,
Yeah.
sometimes we use neem. We use these natural
Sometimes
things, yes,
we even use both moringa and neem.
and neem together just to first thing in the morning to open our stomach. The health benefits are incredible. They are very, very good. So, and this I hear also people dry it. You can dry it and make it into powder for the tea. I'll check that out. I'll do a research on it. But from what I've heard, this stuff has lots of antioxidants. They help you clear your blood, lower blood pressure, remove blood sugar.
Whoa.
Yes, help with balancing your system. Everything is just good, 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 good. So let's go and make the tea and drink and enjoy the benefits, especially now that we are still on empty stomach. So, like Phelim here and my lovely wife. So, this is our hobby life. You can contact us if you need all these things we have. This is just one part of our garden. We have lots and lots of other wonderful things, natural, 100% organic. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Have a nice day.
See ya.
See ya.